Hi guys, so now you have your new plant. It's in its new pot, it's freshly watered, but when should I feed it? Let's find out. Just like us, plants need food to grow and become strong and healthy. Fertiliser provides additional nutrients to keep your plants strong and healthy throughout their lifespan. To stay in the best health, plants benefit from nutrients, principally nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Over time, plants will use up nutrients in their potting soil, and therefore it's beneficial to top up the nutrients using fertiliser. Plants need feeding when they are growing, typically in spring and summer. Plants that grow faster need feeding more frequently, while slow-growing plants, like the cowboy cactus, need feeding less often. Water your plants thoroughly a few days before adding fertiliser, as your plants will absorb nutrients through its roots, so moist soil will help spread the fertiliser. As with many areas of plant care, it's better to be overly cautious than too bold when fertilising your plant. Flowering plants will need fertilising more frequently. It's easiest to use a liquid plant food, such as this, which you can find on the STEM's website. It's best to dilute the plant feed by twice the amount the bottle recommends before feeding your plant. Simply add some liquid fertiliser to your watering can when watering your plant. Generally, you should aim to feed your plants once a month in the growing season, from spring to summer. Thanks for watching, see you next time.